Todd, I'm making you something with Singani 63. Are you familiar with it?
I am. I know Singani is the official drink of Bolivia. Singani 63 is Steven Soderbergh's brand. He was shooting up there and he brought Singani to America. And it's delicious.
Very astute of you for your knowledge. I'm quite impressed.
It's a nice replacement to a lot of things. That's kind of its secret, is that you can kind of switch it out with vodkas or gins, or really make any cocktail with it as a replacement, and it still carries it because it mixes well with everything.
It's a showstopper for sure. This is the Singani Fever. 2 ounces of Singani 63. 1 ounce of grapefruit juice.
Is this like a ruby red or a standard? Does it matter?
Ruby red. Okay. Simple syrup, 1 ounce.
Sweet. Plain? I remember last time you had made.
Oh, we got some specialty simple syrups coming up.
Oh, nice.
This one is just 1 part sugar, 1 part water.
I love it. I love it.
Shake that with some ice till it's ice cold.
Yeah.
All right, I got some Collins glasses here, which I'm gonna top with some ice.
I can already smell it. Look at that. It's like you've done this before.
Just once. Man, I wanted to use club soda, but in my hastiness, I forgot it, but you've graciously supplied us with some Schweppes tonic water.
Had some tonic water.
Let's give it a little
in the
splash.
fridge. It is going to change it. Obviously, going to give it a little more.
It's going to change it.
The quinine.
We've already got a little tartness from the grapefruit in there.
Yeah.
I've got a rosemary sprig. I'm just going to slap it to express the oils.
Nice. I'm a big fan of rosemary, so this is good.
And
good.
Since there's already a lot going on in the glass, I thought we'd do a little
nice
straw situation.
Oh, rosemary.
All right, Todd, I'm presenting to you the Singani Fever.
Singani Fever. Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah, just a little
really
bit
nice.
Water's okay.
Yeah, it actually didn't jump out and take advantage of it. Really nice. You get the Singani, that awesome like floral flavor that it has, but the grapefruit in it is weird. I thought it was going to be stronger with grapefruit. I thought it was going to have a little more grapefruit, and instead it has just kind of this really nice overwhelming, or like little hint of grapefruit in there, and it mixes really well. And of course,
with the rosemary. Cheers, Todd.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
It's a good holiday drink.